XT Grip is a new type loadable adjustable dumbbell, so you can just change the weight and put in the rod very quickly. And the more importantly, it's droppable. Our lock system is very safe. It's SGS tested, so as long as these two, the safety buckle is closed, the plates won't fall apart. You can just use very safely.
想要有漂亮的双腿吗？建议你最新的滑行垫，可以随时随地训练您的下半身，可以训练你的臀部、大腿内外侧，还有小腿，让你轻松拥有美丽的双腿。
我为大家介绍这个潜水的浮力调整装置，简称 BCD。然后这是我们研究的这个专利的快速插扣，非常的方便，单指就能够操作。
我们现在就是采用我们最新的边缘 AI 的技术，来带动我们3部机器人一起联动，去模拟出真实比赛的场景。